A little bit of fish. Yeah, y'all. You gonna weigh him up?
Got him? Fish from there?
No.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Oh, that's good.
Grab him. Big one. Oh gosh.
That's my fish. You found one of my fish.
Nice one.
I have to let him run with it.
So me and Dad were doing. We'd sit there.
I'll get the backside.
Oh, he came back.
That was cool.
Golly. We ain't looking to drag. That is a little football.
Golly.
Saw that.
There he is. That's a big one. Good one. Good there.
Oh, that is a good one.
The one
Oh, it's
netting?
fat.
Thank you.
One netting?
That ain't too fat.
Too bad.
How fat that sucker is.
Well, there she was.
Where?
Oh, get him. Keep pressure on. You didn't hook him good.
Oh no.
Eli.
What? I know. Suck at life.
Stop doing that. Reeling up, pulling, reeling up, pulling.
Oh, watch. Oh, dang, he went after you. Saw it? You got it. Oh. Was that cool or what?
Hey, he might be 14.
Nope. About 13.
Bro. That one's 14.
That was freaking sweet.
That was a fish.
Yeah, he'll fall.
You hear me say that wasn't a fish and try to
I'm
drag it
gonna
with
have
the
to
grass?
replay that on camera and see what the hell happened there, dude.
We're not gonna
And
put that on
what was that behind the back hook set? That was
know.
just weird.
I looked away and I'm like, that is a fish.
No, we're not gonna put that on. I knew it.
It was! What the heck,
I
man?
told you.
He hit it when I was reeling it in on the top of the water.
This bank is full of them. I'm telling you. Dang. Oh, it's pissing me off.
They take your trailer?
No. But he hit the living hell out of me.
They're trying to do that. I have a trophy room. There you go. That's fine, man. Get him, Eli. Yes. Oh, that's a good one. That's the.
Dang it. Sucker.
All right, good boat flip. Not high. Nice boat flip, right over the gunnel.
Miss.
Pretty sure he's injured now. You
Ow.
sorry sucker. I cannot believe you caught one on my stupid spot.
You told me to cast there.
Sucker. He was sitting there waiting.
You can't find another bucket. Yeah, no.
He might be bigger than 1.6. Maybe. He's close. Yeah, I didn't know those fish like that.
If you were in a tournament setting, you'd be like, power pole down. right?
Oh yeah.
I would think.
What the hell?
Good one. Grab the net, Eli.
You're good. You're good. Hook weird.
Nice. That's that sucker that missed you, huh?
It's 1347. Still got a 1.86 to fill out. Digging?
Boy, he's running.
Damn. Fucking drag. Oh no.
God,
I
tackle.
thought that was about to be good. You said the hook and he didn't move.
He might call.
Maybe it wasn't real.
Is that a gar?
Yes, it is. You're right. You're gonna fucking break
That's
your
why I
rod.
break rods.
I think my bar was thinking. It's pretty impressive.
I'll tell you what.
I want to watch this.
Dude, they owe like 100.
That's a good one. Oh, that's so sweet.
That was a good cast, too. Right there. That was a better cast.
I was hoping I'd get one right there.
You smoke it? That's right, dude. It is no doubt 100 degrees.
Oh,
Net?
maybe. No.
That's
You get that on video there?
Oop, I just turned it off.
That was crazy. Blew up on like a couple of
Heel call.
I just literally turned it off.
Did. Good one. That's another cool. Thank.
No high sticking.
He might not call.
Oh, any day now. God, dog. Can't reach him.
Hurry up.
He's like a ninja.
I don't know if he's cool.
No, I don't think so.
I got all that on camera.
Come on, here.
Well, that's a good one.
See if we can do it real quick.
High stick.
That was a horrible work for it right here.
Oh, boy.
Oh, I knew that.
Atta boy. Same spot.
That's him. I'm glad he wasn't bigger.
That was a perfect boat flip there, boy.
Yeah, I'm about to start buying first dogs. head too.
Yeah.
Why'd you throw him back?
Yes, we go.
We all